Hi students, now I am explaining about characteristics of electromagnetic waves. So in the characteristics of electromagnetic waves, first one is wavelength. The distance between two identical points in a wave is known as wavelength. Look at in this wave, wavelength means the distance between two identical points. Here two identical points means from here to here, or here to here, or from this point to this point. Or we can say easily the distance between two successive crusts. So these two are crusts, these two are troughs in the wave. So the distance between two successive crusts, this is called wavelength, or the distance between two successive troughs. These two are troughs. So here to here. So the distance between two identical points, it means the distance between two crusts or the distance between two troughs in a wave is known as wavelength. Units of wavelength are angstroms. 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters or 10 power minus 10 meters. Wavelength may be calculated with the help of nanometers. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 7 centimeters or 10 power minus 9 meters, or 1 angstrom equal to 100 picometers PM. Look at next one, frequency. The number of waves passed through a given point per second is known as frequency. It means, suppose here a point is there. So number of waves, how many waves are passing through a given point in 1 second, that should be considered as frequency. And the formula for frequency, nu is equal to c by lambda, where c is velocity of light. Its value is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per seconds, or 3 into 10 power 10 centimeters per second, where lambda is wavelength. About wavelength now only we have discussed. Units for frequency, c by lambda, where c velocity of light units meters per seconds by wavelength units meters. So meter can be get cancelled, second inverse, or it is called hertz. Units for frequency, second inverse or hertz. Second inverse also considered as cycles per second. Look at next, wave number. It is represented with nu bar. The number of wavelengths per unit length is called wave number, or we can take an as the reciprocal of wavelength is also considered as wave number. Here reciprocal means nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. So the reciprocal of wavelength is known as wave number. So nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Look at the units. Wavelength may be units meter or centimeter. That's why it is 1 by meter. Then nothing but that is called meter inverse, or in CGS units centimeter inverse. For finding ratios, nu1 bar by nu2 bar is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. So this formula is helpful for calculating ratios between two wave numbers and also two wavelengths. Look at next, amplitude. The height of the crest or depth of the trough in a wave is known as amplitude. It means, suppose just what we are taking, just we are taking height of the crest. So these two, here these are the heights of the crest, and these two are depths of the troughs. So the height of the crest or depth of the trough in a wave is considered as amplitude. So this is known as amplitude, amplitude of the crest. Here this is called amplitude of trough. Here is amplitude of trough. Here amplitude of crest. So to express the maximum height of the crest or to express the maximum depth of the trough is considered as amplitude. Units of amplitude, angstroms or meters or centimeters. Actually amplitude is measure of intensity or brightness of beam of light. Look at next one, velocity. The distance traveled by a wave in 1 second is considered as velocity. Look at the units of velocity, meters per seconds or centimeters per seconds. Actually, all the electromagnetic radiations having the same velocity, that is called velocity of light. Its value 3 into 10 power 8 meters per seconds or 3 into 10 power 10 centimeters per seconds. So this is MKS units and this is CGS units. So it is already discussed the value. Look at a problem based on wavelength, wave number. Calculate the frequency and wave number of a radiation having wavelength 600 nanometers. Look at, first of all, in this problem wavelength value will be given. Wavelength lambda is equal to 600 nanometers. So this value you have to convert into meters or centimeters. So 600 nanometers. We know 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 7 centimeters or 10 power minus 9 meters. So now I am changing the value in CGS units. 600 nanometers. So it is equal to 600 into 10 power minus 7 centimeters, and it is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 5 centimeters. So lambda value will be changed in centimeters. Now look at the first one, frequency. Frequency nu is equal to c by lambda. So where c is velocity of light. Velocity of light value 3 into 10 power 10 centimeters per seconds. By wavelength lambda is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 5. Now it is equal to 0.5 into 10 power 15. And also answer should be expressed in single digits. 5 into 10 power 14 units of frequency, hertz. For calculating wave number, nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. So 1 by 6 into 10 power minus 5. So it is equal to 0.166 into 10 power 5. And answer should be expressing in single digit. It is equal to 1.66 into 10 power 4 centimeter inverse. So this is the way for calculating wave number and frequencies. Look at the next problem. Find the ratio of frequencies of radiation having wavelengths 4000 and 2000 angstroms respectively. For calculating ratio of frequencies of radiations, it means you know already the relation between frequency and wavelength. We know frequency nu is equal to c by lambda. Now ratio nu1 by nu2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. So this is the formula for calculating ratios of frequencies. Now lambda 2 value is 2000 angstroms and lambda 1 is 4000 angstroms. So it is equal to 2 by 4, it is 1 by 2. Ratio of nu1 and nu2 is equal to 1:2. So the ratio of nu1 and nu2 is equal to 1:2. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.